Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am working with a unit I was sent from Dorhair.com, I believe. This is their full lace wig. I believe the style name is NWF1. The style or the texture is a natural wave, I believe. Yeah, it's a natural wave. And I got a 18-inch. This is 180% density, and my cap is a medium cap. I'm going to have all the information and specs on this unit and this company down below in the description box. But in this video, I'm just showing you all how to put on your wig. If you're in a hurry, if you don't have time to glue down your wig, GOT2BE freeze spray is always the GOAT. I haven't used it in a while, so it did feel good to use it. Like, I breezed through this install. It made me miss using it. I do have my blow dryer on cool. That's what I'm using to dry the spray. Just for me to sing a lady. I'm not shaking me my Right here, I'm just taking that freeze spray and just fixing up the edges, any edges that were lifted, so that they can be laying flat on my head. My camera cut off when I started doing my baby hairs, but I'm just using Eco Styler gel like I always do to do my baby hairs. Cause even if it was too bad, and I ain't about to get that no more. They 3 days a night, she will be my alibi to keep the police off me. But that ain't right, that ain't right, that ain't right. But I'm a play as a night, useless for me to sing a lady. I'm not shaking me my useless for me to sing a lady. I'm not shaking me my
for me to see my leg. I'm not shaking me my leg.
Alright y'all, well this is pretty much a wrap for the video. This is how I install my wig when I'm in a hurry and don't have much time to install it, but I want my hair to look good, so I need to put it on. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you're interested in this unit, all the information and specs are down below on this company and this hair unit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all so much, and thank you for watching. Talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.